Hi, David Kavanaugh here. About time I gave an update on the BSA Spitfire MkIV. I've been busy. I had to do the front brake rotors on my Audi, but I've been doing some stuff on the BSA. Let me flip things around and show you what I've been up to. So I have the front tire off and have the steering damper out, and next thing is just to separate the forks and then just finish disassembling the swing arm, and then I can get all the frame parts ready to go out. And I need to get that done because I need to be able to get 2 cars into here in the next month or so, and all this stuff has to be out of the way so that the 2 whole bikes can get back in this area. Oh, and the pool ladder also needs to go back there. So yes, nothing really new on the cylinder head. I did take some time to clean up the taillight assembly. I think that's looking beautiful, and these reflectors are going to go back onto here, but I thought I'd do some polishing, and you can see there's a decent sheen on there, but I'm also noticing a little bit of a texture. I'm not sure how well it's going to come through on the camera. I'm picking it up on the phone screen right now. I think this just means I need a lot more intermediate stages on the sanding. It is super smooth, but it's not what I'd expect from a perfect polishing job, because there are it's sort of blotchy and some streaky bits. So I'd like to get that looking better. It'd be good practice for when I work on the cases. Speaking of cases, well, I'm not going to do these. These are just going to be cleaned up with a wire brush. I need to get these chrome bits sent and stripped. I'm probably going to have the headlight bucket re-chromed, and I'll get the chrome stripped off of the head valve cover, and the side cover is that one. And where did I put the other one? Oh, it's down there in that container. Another thing I haven't really figured out yet. I see there was a lot of centerline drill marks, probably for balancing the flywheel, and now I see, I noticed there's 2 numbered marks on here. That's got I think a 6, and that's a 94, and so it looks like that was probably dynamically balanced. That's my guess anyway. I was trying to think if there's a way I can get the SRM oil pump mounted up and powered, and see if I can, well, I need to hook up the supply line and see if I can get some oil moving through the whole system, and just see how it's working on the bottom end before I decide on splitting the cases or not. Yeah, that's it. Don't want to belabor this. I'm hoping to increase my production values a little bit and not have so much rambling. So there you go. I'm gonna get the frame taken apart and try to get some stuff sent out, and then try to organize all this. And I'll probably set this whole bench up in my basement. There's a door back there that I can get everything down into the basement with, and then I'll be working on it over the winter. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.